it was published with the intention of stigmatizing the image of a minister. And afterwards, when original CD was not given, when this CD was sent for the forensic examination, it was found that there were certain discontinuities, and it was altered. It was edited, and therefore the court came out with the same judgments. So that there was a tampering. Again, in Rajendra Mahmudia versus State of Rajasthan, you see, again in this case, data entry operator who was entrusted with the confidential draft budget. Confidential draft budget. He gave the copy to the accused, and the accused gave it to one MLA, and he circulated it in the assembly before the draft speech was made. Again, this section was attractive. So, what I want to say that law is providing, law is trying to providing the safeguards. Because the most common thing nowadays is hacking. Every boy who is sitting on the computer, as you said, out of pleasure, out of adventure, they start doing hacking. And even there are certain websites, you see, which provides you information how to hack. But they may say that we are talking about the ethical hacking. Some are providing online engines, some are providing tools, some are providing information how sites can be hacked, and there are a number of sites. I am having the names of those sites. But hacking per se is not punishable. Hacking is punishable when it is unethical. It falls within the category. So I think until and unless a hacker is not breaking into the computer or network system, a hacker, most of the time, you are right, they do it for the fun, or for the sake of adventure, and it is done by the teenagers on the internet. But I think most of the time it is also done by the people to damage the computer system of the adversaries or the competitors. Corporate world. You see, every day a lot of things are going on. And as I told you that today, it is not the bullet which controls. It is the electron which controls, and the hits which are coming every day on the website of a particular organization or a country. Until unless we are not able to manage that, it is difficult to survive. And what a wonderful remark was made by Professor Venugopal. Because Venugopal observed, I quote, we cannot live without internet and web application running our business. The challenge is to know the security threats so that we can address the concern. Now the thing is, our technologists, because I always say there is a need in this country where the technologists and the law persons should sit together. Most of our law is technologically neutral. This is the time when we should have technologically specific law. I don't know technology. So I won't be able to suggest anything. So now we need younger generations, and I am telling my students, I am telling my faculty members, my dear friends, we have to think something new, where a person who is knowing the technology, we train him so that he can also know the law, and he is able to suggest some new thing which can control such type of menaces. But again, in this scenario, what a good comment was given by the head corporate IT Larsen and Toubro. I quote, if you are not exploiting the web for a fear of security threat, you may run out of business. This is a bigger risk than getting hit on the website, unquote. You see, so one cannot stop going on these systems or the network, because if they will stop, then they will be out of business. Risk is there. Government, NESCOM, police, individuals are trying to protect this system, because this security which we are providing today will give us a lot of dividends in future. And I congratulate IGNOU especially Professor Rao, you
Yes.
to take this initiative,
Yes.
to start this diploma program,
Yes.
which will certainly enrich
Yes.
and it will bring a new awareness
Yes.
among the masses to take the full advantage
Yes.
of the development, technological development,
Yeah.
which are taking place around us.
Yes. In fact, India is very well known for the revolution in the information and communication technology, and we are able to have a major important player at the international level also. And Information Technology Act is such a legislation which is a conglomeration of the development of information technology and at the national level, international level, and this is the first positive legislation which combines the science technology developments with the law. That is what we have seen Professor Balraj Chauhan has explained through his very excellent presentation. He has brought out how computer is used as a target and computer is being used as a tool and object. When we look at computer which is being used as a target, Information Technology Act in 2000 has taken a very proactive and positive approach in defining and assuming what are the various crimes which are going to already has been committed, and also visualized about the future crimes. And he has also pointed out how the computer is being used as a tool to commit crimes. And the amendments, the various amendments in the Indian Penal Code explicitly demonstrates how this can be tackled. But what is required at this juncture is, it requires the major dissemination, training, building up skills, awareness among the various professionals involved in the information technology, starting with the investigation officers, and then the lawyers, judges, law students, and also we need to think about what are the various new amendments which are required. As Professor Balraj Chauhan has succinctly pointed out, when the Information Technology Act was formulated, they were looking at the whole, how do we create a legal system which will transform as e-governance, how to create a paperless office, how to legitimize the e-commerce. But at that juncture also, they have considered the various types of crimes which will happen, anticipated, which already is happening. So it is a foolproof legislation which is first of its kind, which integrates the technology with the law. And IGNOU at the School of Law, through this program of PG Certificate in Cyber Law, would like to develop the skills, awareness and capacities of various professionals involved in the information technology industry, legal profession and the criminal justice system. I once again thank you, sir, for your excellent presentation, and you have brought out the various legal aspects relating to the cyber crime and law. Thank you very much. We look forward to your many more interactions in future. Thank you.